A lot of us love flavored waters, but they can be quite expensive at the store. I'll show you an inexpensive way to make them at home. I'm Nora Day. These are my infused waters. I put them in these 16-ounce jars, and I'll show you my first one. My first one has lavender, thyme, lemongrass, and kiwi. And the beauty of this is it's a medicinal drink. The relaxation of the lavender is a very calming drink. My next drink, I have goji berries, I have basil, and blueberries. And the blueberries you really taste in the drink, which is a nice refreshing drink. Really love this one. This is a really nice drink. My next one is pretty much an all citrus drink. All citrus from oranges, limes, and grapefruit. It gives that zing in your step, that zing in the afternoon for the drink. And my next drink has cucumber, lemon, and mint. You might see something like this at your favorite spa because of the cleansing qualities of the cucumber. It's a beautiful drink after a workout or after a spa treatment. All of these are ingredients that I like to use that are all natural and are all clean and cleansing to the system. It's really up to you how strong you want your drink. So if you want it stronger, in the first one you might add more lemongrass. You might add more citrus if you want it stronger. So it's really a personal decision on the amount of ingredients you use in each one of your infused waters. Once you find your personal preference of your ingredients, if you leave it in for 15 minutes, it won't be that strong. If you leave it in for an hour or more, the taste keeps getting stronger and the medicinal values also keep getting stronger. I hope you make these beautiful infused waters at home. I'm Nora Day.